Planning your next trip? Here are some essential travel hacks to make your journey smoother and more affordable. Save money on flights by booking early or using price comparison tools. Try searching for flights in incognito mode to avoid price increases. Pack smart. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and minimize wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep your luggage organized and easily accessible. To stay safe while traveling, always keep a copy of important documents like your passport and travel insurance. Use a money belt or hidden pouch for your valuables. Bring a portable charger to keep your devices powered up, especially during long travel days. 5. Download offline maps and translation apps to navigate and communicate more easily without relying on internet access. Bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and save money. Many airports and public places have refill stations. 7. Use travel-size containers for toiletries to comply with airline regulations and save space in your luggage. 8. Lastly, pack a small first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. These travel hacks will help you have a more enjoyable and stress-free trip. Subscribe, like, comment, and follow for more tips.